Welcome to your guide on understanding the Australian visa process. Whether you're planning to work, study, or visit, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Australia offers a variety of visas tailored to different needs. Let's explore the key types of visas available: student visas, work visas, tourist visas, and more. Each visa type has specific eligibility requirements. It's vital to understand what's needed for your chosen visa to ensure your application is successful. The application process may seem daunting, but it can be broken down into manageable steps. Let's navigate through an overview of the visa application workflow. Gathering the correct documentation is crucial for your visa application. We'll discuss the essential documents required for a successful submission. The visa application process can come with its share of challenges. However, being prepared can help you navigate these hurdles with ease. Understanding the financial commitments involved with applying for a visa is essential. We will break down the visa fees and other associated costs. Processing times can vary depending on the visa type. Let's discuss what you can expect and how to keep track of your application. To increase your chances of a successful application, keep these helpful tips in mind: thoroughness, accuracy, and attention to deadlines. Thank you for watching. For further guidance on the Australian visa process, be sure to check the resources linked below.